Hey guys, you are watching Aurora's vlog. Today's episode, I will be showing you on how I made my own DIY pencil holder. This project only cost me $1. Yes, just $1. All you need is a drill and a quarter-size bit and a hard styrofoam, of which you can find them at dollar store. Yes, for only $1. I drill straight because I know the drill bit size that I have used is perfect for the pencil. So you can drill straight without drawing a hole on the styrofoam or whatever your preferences. Now let's go ahead and speed up this video. Well, what do you think? If you think this was a brilliant idea, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!